Hello students, in this video I will teach you about notice writing. I'll tell you about what is a notice and how it is supposed to be written. So a notice is a short piece of communication written in a formal style to convey important information to a group of people in an organization. We write a notice in formal language and it tells an important information to a group of people in a particular organization. It can be your workplace, it can be a school also. So to write a notice, there are few things we have to take care of. The way we have to write our notice is given here in the picture. So let's go through it. The heading is features. First point, a notice is written within a box. So if you're given a question of notice writing, you have to make sure that you have to make a box with your pencil and a scale while you're doing it. Next point is the name of the school or issuing authority is written on the top. So the person who is issuing the notice, or if you're writing a notice from the school, you have to write the name of that particular organization on top. The word notice should be mentioned. Again, after writing the place, the school name, in the next line you're going to write notice. Now you have to keep one thing in mind. When you're making a box, in the center you will write the name of the organization or the school and notice as well. After these two things are written, in the first line you've written the name of the organization, second line you've written notice, in the third line on the left side you will write the date. You know how the date is supposed to be written? Like this, 12th October 2020. You will not write 12 dot month, the number of the month, and then 2020. No, you will not do that. You'll write everything properly in expanded form. Moving on to the next point, a precise title should be clearly given to indicate what the notice is about. So, if for example you are writing a notice about found, that you have found a watch somewhere, so you have to give a short title. You will write found on top, or you can write found a watch full stop. So this will let people know what the notice is about. Next point, the notice must be simple and concise and the tone must be impartial and formal. So when you're writing a notice, in a notice we don't write a lot of lines. We just write the important information. And also we make sure that our language is formal. We talk up to the mark and we are impartial. We are not saying anything wrong. We are not taking anybody's side. We just write whatever is needed. No extra lines to be written. Next point, it must contain all the relevant information related to the subject, including date, time, place, and any other details if required. So, the date, time, place, and any other important information has to be written in the notice. In case of a lost object, the notice must include details of what was lost, when it was lost, where it was likely to have been lost, and how to return it to its owner. So for example, if something has been lost, we have to mention where it was lost and what time was it lost and how will it be returned to the owner. So after all these things are mentioned, at last we have to take care of one thing. So let's go through the last point. On the lower left bottom corner of the notice, the name and designation of the person writing the notice must be mentioned. So at the end, after all the information is given, we will write the name of the person who is writing the notice and their designation. Designation can be a student. So if you're a student, you will write your name, and in the next line you will write the class you belong to along with your roll number. If you're the principal, you will write the name of the principal, and in the next line you'll write the principal. So that is what designation means. So now I hope you have understood about how a notice is to be written. If you look in the picture, an example is given. So let's read that out. The question is, Rimjhim Roy has lost a pencil box. He writes this notice to let everybody know about it and possibly find it. So a student named Rimjhim Roy has lost his pencil box and he is going to write a notice and put it on the notice board so that all the students see it. Let's go through how he has written the notice. So you see, he has made a box and on top he has written the name of his school. Next line notice. third line he has written the date on the left side, and in the next line he's written lost, lost, lost. Then he starts the paragraph. I lost my pink magnetic pencil box on 11th October 20 dash dash. The pencil box is new and has my name written on it. I left it in the school auditorium after my drawing competition. If anyone finds it, please deposit it in the office. So see, not extra stuff is written, only the required information, that the pencil box was like this, his name was also written, and if it is found, it has to be given in the office. After writing the paragraph, he has written his name and his class along with the roll number on the left side of the box. So this is how a notice is to be written. I hope you have understood. There is one more solved notice in your book. Please open it and go through it. If there is anything you don't understand, you'll ask me. That's it about notice writing. Thank you so much for your patience, all of you.